I'm Nicole with Bambiz, and welcome back to our channel. If you're an elder law or estate planning attorney and you're looking to elevate your practice's online presence, you're in the right place. Today, we'll share some simple yet powerful social media tips that are perfect for connecting more meaningfully with your clients. Let's jump right in. Share helpful tips and information. One of the easiest ways to engage your audience is to demystify the complex world of elder law and estate planning. Share clear, concise tips and break down big topics into bite-sized posts. Remember that webinar you held last month? Turn it into a series of short clips or graphics that make learning fun and easy. It's all about making your expertise accessible and relatable. Celebrate your team and community involvement. It's also important to show the faces behind your firm. Celebrate birthdays, work anniversaries, and little victories on your social pages. Plus, don't shy away from posting about the local events you support. This not only brings your team closer, but also connects you to your community in meaningful ways. Promote your events and workshops. Got an upcoming webinar or workshop? Make some noise about it. Share all the key details like how to sign up and what attendees will learn. And don't forget to give a sneak peek of the behind-the-scenes action or share the highlights afterwards. This keeps everyone excited and shows the value of joining your insightful events. And there's nothing more powerful than hearing directly from those you've helped. Sharing client testimonials and success stories not only builds credibility, but also genuinely shows the positive impact of your work. These stories can really resonate with potential clients, giving them confidence in your services. Are you ready to take your social media to the next level? At Bambiz, we specialize in helping elder law and estate planning attorneys shine online. Schedule a free 15-minute call with our team today. Let's work together on making your practice more visible and engaging. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell so you don't miss our next post. Keep up the great work in your practices, and remember, we're here to help you grow every step of the way. See you next time.